Aloha, good morning. I wanted to show you guys the before of my messy mom car. It's a total mess. I'll go around here. You can see, we took all of the car seats out and there's just, per usual, like, is it really a mom car if you don't have like a little goldfish somewhere in your car? But yeah, this thing needs a really good detail. There is just so much sand. Sorry that the lighting isn't cooperating with me right now, but there's just a lot of sand all on this car and it needs a really good clean. So I'm excited to get this car detailed today. All right, I will show you the after in a little bit, but don't forget to like and subscribe while you're watching today. Oh my God. So I dropped the car off at the detailers. We only have one car here. So I had my bike in the back and they rode it back, and there was this one section where there's like this big hill. I'd never like ridden from where like the detailer's house is before on my bike. So I was on the sidewalk because it's kind of a busy road, but they did have a bike lane. Not when I need to be in the bike lane, because I was going like on the sidewalk down the hill. So it was like at a pretty good speed. And as I crossed the crosswalk, there were these two poles that were like pretty close to each other. Like it was pretty narrow to get through the middle of them. I crashed into the box that was like on the one pole, and my like fingers, they're like so bruised now. It's like I can barely bend like these two. Mommy's middle name is Grace. Do you know that, Presley? Basically, today I have so much to do just to like get the house in order. I know you're not really like seeing everything, but I'm looking at it. There's just like stuff everywhere. It's been one of those weeks where there was just like a lot going on, so I wasn't able to like daily, I feel like, keep up with anything. There's a ton of laundry that needs to be done. I really need to start decluttering the closets just to figure out what is the stuff that we need for going back to Ohio, because the kids definitely, like anything that we have in Ohio, they've outgrown at this point. So I just need to figure out what is stuff here that, they're not gonna like outgrow for summer either, that I can just like donate here. And then what's the stuff that I actually like need to take back too. So I feel like that's on my mind today. Landon right now is at a birthday party. How fun is this? The party is just like on the beach. I'm like, oh my gosh. Again, like coming from Ohio, never had a birthday party like that. I was like, this is just so cool. So he's at that right now. The mom said she's giving them lunch there. So just have to worry about getting Presley and Hay lunch here. But since my car is at the detailer, he said it probably wasn't gonna be done till 4, and he was gonna try to drop it off here for me, because I was like, do you mind dropping it off to me? Just because with like the kids and the bike, like, it's a lot to navigate all of that. And he's like, yeah, that's no problem. So he's dropping the car off here when it's done, but I still need to figure out how I'm getting Landon from the beach on a bike. We might just end up like, I might bike there and we might both end up walking back together, like pushing the bike. But yeah, so I have a lot to do today.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
Okay, so I basically took everything out of all of those baskets there and just kind of went through what I'm keeping, what I'm donating, and now I'm gonna start putting everything back. Decluttered closet. I feel like it looks so much better now. And yeah, Okay, I'm in Hayden's room now and making some progress. I got a bunch of stuff that I'm going to be giving to a girlfriend here because she's having a new baby. Because it's like all like the baby toys and like gate and stuff like that we just don't need anymore because of Hayden's age. But I wanted to show you guys a couple of things. There's some random stuff in here. So Presley's 5th birthday is coming up and she wants it to be Mulan themed. She wants a Mulan cake. So I found that little doll at Target. I'm gonna try to make some kind of a cake with it. I got the little 5 balloon for her. I don't know how she is 5, you guys, but how cute is that little hat? I got that for her birthday present. And sorry, my memory card died in the middle of me filming that, but this swimsuit, this is the back. Look at the cute little ruffle on the straps. But they had this at a shop, I think it's called Growing Keiki on the North Shore. I thought too, even just like with the hat, so cute for the beach. And then I had a couple of girlfriends. Hopefully they don't watch this. They just, well, one just had a girl and the other one is having a girl. Like literally any day now. So I had to get Aloha vibes. How cute is that little onesie? And then look at how sweet this pajama print is with the hibiscus. That was so adorable. And these are the sweetest things. I don't know which one I'm gonna give to which one. Maybe tell me what you think. Maybe like the rainbow with this one, the pineapple with this one, but I was just like, oh my God, this is so cute for little baby girl. All right, I just put Hayden's rug in the washing machine because I feel like it needed a good clean. But I at least got his room tidied. But every other room right now is just such a mess at the moment. Just decluttered like all the toiletries and stuff that I had from here and there and in this closet. And I just tidied up this closet. So that's like some Christmas stuff, paper towels and toilet paper and white towels. And then I made this kind of like any sort of like colored sheets or towels for right now. So at least that got tackled. In here isn't like perfect, but I just kind of tidied up my bottles, like put them all in sort of like rows and color and all the hair stuff in that little tub. And here I just have all of my different hair styling tools. Underneath here, tidied this up as well, like stacked all the toilet paper, cleaning stuff, like my makeup. And again, I like decluttered so many of the products that I'd had under here before, so it's just basically bare minimum sort of stuff. And up here, this is all like feminine products. And inside, I've got nail stuff, Q-tips. This is just like my travel size bags. Like I always just have this like packed and ready to go. These are like makeup removing, oh gosh, makeup removing towels. Dropping stuff. And my scrunchies, like I love, these are from Kitsch and they like absorb water if your hair is ever wet. And then I just have, I think, some like Bath and Body Works bath stuff in that one. So this area got all organized. The car is back. Wait till you see how nice it looks. Oh my gosh, he made it so shiny and pretty. There was even like some like white stuff from hitting a trash can there and it completely buffed it out. The wheels are so shiny. And wait till you see the inside. I love that it even has the feet mats. Oh my God. We're never allowed to get into this car ever again. It just has to stay nice and shiny. Oh my God, it smells so nice and clean in here too. Holy cow, I noticed too, he even did like inside both of these. Here, wait, that one. Like, look, it looks like brand new in there. Oh my gosh. He did such a good job. So it's clean and simple detailing on Oahu. Somebody recommended on Instagram, so I'll put like his Instagram handle on here. But wow, oh my gosh, he made the leather look so good. This is so nice and cleaned up too. Oh my gosh, and just the floor. I mean, the floors were covered in sand, you guys. Like, he was like, it was a lot of sand. I was like, I know, I'm sorry. And he cleaned up the third row. Like, look, sorry, the headrest is getting in the way of the third row. Looks so good. Oh my gosh, I am so happy right now. Seriously, nothing is better than when your mom car is cleaned out. I still have just so much to do in here, don't I? Hayden's having a little potato chip snack and
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign.
But okay, I feel like there's still so much clearly to clean up in here. I don't know if I'm gonna get to Landon and Presley's closets today. I would have liked to, but I'm happy that at least Hayden's is done, mine is done, like this bathroom's done, that like hallway, the one hallway closet's done, the other hallway closet is definitely gonna need some help. So maybe I'll try to do more tomorrow, but I'm also just trying to do tons of laundry because I just feel like it's gonna be kind of stupid to keep on like decluttering if there's still just like a bunch of laundry, but I kind of know what's in the laundry is stuff that fits them right now. Like Hayden had still had some stuff that he'd outgrown, so I need to kind of go through all of that. And luckily we have a couple of friends here. Landon's one friend, they had a baby boy a couple of months after Hayden, so I'm just going to give them all the clothes for Nakoa, baby Nakoa. And then my other friend who I met through like Presley's dance class, I'm just hanging this up, but she is having a girl in the summer, and I just was like, I'll give you all of like the toys and like the gate and all that kind of stuff that Hayden's outgrown, so I can get rid of stuff and give it to other people because it's still like nice stuff, right? Like don't want to put it on the curb if it can obviously be reused. Pretty much anything else that is like my clothes or like anything that I don't have somebody to give it to, I'm just going to take, there's like a Goodwill here, so take it to that. And then I have so many things I feel like from PR boxes that got sent that I'm just not going to use. I'm going to give some to our neighbors because I know they always appreciate that kind of stuff too. So there's just a lot. I'm feeling so stressed. I don't know if it's like coming across in this video. I just do. I feel like my to-do list is a million miles long and we're down to like 2 weeks before we go back to Ohio, and there's just so much that still has to be done. And yeah, I'm stressed out a little bit, and like the kids just have so many things happening at school too, and Presley's birthday is coming up and her party and all that kind of stuff. Like she also has her dance recital is the very last day that we're here, and Landon also has baseball games that weekend too. He has like baseball 3 days a week because it's usually like 2 games and a practice every single week. So baseball has definitely kept us really, really busy. That's where he is right now. I think I might have said that when I first started this, but yeah, it has just been such a busy time right now. I don't know, I think May, and then I feel like June, I like don't want to think about it and get overwhelmed, but I mean, I'm talking about it, whatever, it is what it is. June, just because like that was the month that my dad passed. I feel like there's always just like really high emotions running for me in June, or that like June has never felt like that great of a month. And I think with like the end of school, there's always just a lot of transitions. Like, I don't know, they say like you kind of, without sometimes even knowing, like subconsciously, if you have like certain times of year that have just been difficult, like you kind of feel that, and maybe I'm feeling that a little bit right now too. Does that happen to anyone else? Let me know. Make me feel less alone. Or, you know, never happens to you, call me crazy. Been called worse. But yeah, I think I always just kind of brace myself a little bit for June, and the start of summer never really feels that great to me these days, at least. When I was younger, I absolutely loved summer. I was like, oh my God, living my best life. So sometimes I think I could just take a time machine back and relive some of those much more carefree days as a teenager and all that. But I do have to say, June, I am really looking forward to the Disney girls trip that we're going to be going on. I'll be vlogging that trip, by the way. So if you're looking for some living vicariously in Disney, that will be happening in June, and I'm like so excited.
Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah. Give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.